Welcome back to Rack, where we talk all things audio production and sound. Today we are demystifying sample rate, bit depth, and bit rate. I'm Dariana Everett. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and RAC grad. Let's go. Sample rate, bit depth, and bit rate. These are all important concepts in digital audio, and understanding them will help you achieve better quality audio. Let's break this all down. What is a sample rate? Sample rate is the number of times per second an audio is measured or sampled. It is measured in hertz. The higher the sample rate, the more accurately the sound is captured, resulting in better sound quality. The most common sample rates are 44.1 kHz, 48 kHz, or 96 kHz. The standard sample rate of a CD is 44.1 kHz, which means that there are 44,100 samples taken per second. A higher sample rate means more samples are taken per second, resulting in higher quality audio. However, higher sample rates require more storage space. And if you're filming video, 48 kHz is what you'll want to use. What is bit depth? Bit depth is the number of bits of information used to represent each sample of an audio signal. It determines the dynamic range of an audio signal, or the difference between the loudest and softest sounds that can be captured. The higher the bit depth, the greater the dynamic range, the quality of sound becomes better. Common bit depth for digital audio are 16-bit, 24-bit, or 32-bit. The CD standard of bit depth is 16-bit, although most studios record at least 24-bit. The higher the bit depth means more bits are used to represent each sample of audio, which results in a more accurate picture or representation of the original audio signal. So if we think of analog, which captures the entire wave, we then have digital rendition or digital audio of it, which will take samples and pictures of the audio. The higher the quality of the bit depth or the sample rate, the more close we will get to the actual representation of the sound, capturing as much information as we can. However, just like sample rate, higher bit depth requires more storage space. And now, what is bit rate? Bit rate is the amount of data used to represent 1 second of audio. It is measured in bits per second, BPS, or kilobits per second, kbps. The higher the bit rate, the more data is used to represent the audio, and thus the higher the quality of the audio signal. Bit rate is influenced by both sample rate and bit depth, as well as compression algorithms used in digital audio formats. Common bit rates in digital audio are 128 kbps, 256 kbps, or 320 kbps, or kilobytes per second. Bitrate is calculated by multiplying the sample rate by the bit depth. For example, the standard bit rate of a CD quality is 1,411 kbps, and this is by getting the sample rate of 44.1 kilohertz multiplied by 16 bits. A higher bitrate means that more data is being used to represent the audio per second, resulting in higher quality audio, which we love. However, just like sample rate and bit depth, a higher bit rate will also result in you needing more storage space, as it is a larger file. So in summary, sample rate, bit depth, bit rate are all important factors in achieving the highest quality audio. Higher sample rates and bit depth will result in better audio quality, while higher bit rate will result in more data being used to represent the audio signal. Understanding these concepts will help you make informed decisions on how you choose to represent your audio signal in the digital format. So there you have it. I hope this video helped with demystifying sample rate, bit depth, and bit rate. These are all important technical components to consider when working with digital audio. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.